Hi, website design is a skill that is in high demand in this digital age. Many companies and organizations would want to take their businesses online, especially since COVID-19. So as a website designer, you will be in high demand. My name is Ike from Bismarck Technologies Limited. As we celebrate our 10th year anniversary, we will want to equip Nigerians with digital skills that are in high demand. And that is why we are bringing our website design and e-commerce website design bootcamp. In this bootcamp training, you will learn how to design professional websites for organizations. You also learn how to design e-commerce websites where people can make payment from any website you design. You also learn SEO, search engine optimization. We also touch on how you can monetize your knowledge, because most people learn a lot of things, but they don't put them into practice because they don't know how to monetize them. We will show you knowledge monetization, skill monetization. Why should you learn website design? Website design has become so lucrative. The truth is this: as a website designer, you can decide to work remotely. You can decide to work for, peak organizations, get a job and work with them. You can decide to work as a freelancer. Most Nigerian web designers who know what they are doing can stay in Nigeria and work for companies abroad and earn in dollars. As a website designer, you can set up your own side hustle, making money online. As a website designer, you can learn how to create digital products, create your own website, and sell them on your website and make money from them. The opportunities are endless. So as we celebrate our 10th year anniversary, we want to make it possible for Nigerians, for youths, to learn this skill that is in high demand. What are you waiting for? Why not register today? The truth is that we cannot train everybody, so this space is not that much. Why not be among the first to register today? It's on first come, first serve basis. Here at Bismarck Technologies, we are known for our practical hands-on training, where you are prepared to face the realities out there. What are you waiting for? It has limited space. Register today and be among the first to benefit from this training. It's a project-based training. Before you finish, you'll be able to design your own websites. Register today and we will see you in class.